Hello, I'm Vance Sprinkerhoff, a luxury realtor with Vero Premier Properties, a division of Coldwell Banker Paradise Global Luxury. There is a myth in this business that people buy houses. They do not. They buy a version of their own lives, a better one, usually, and one they can picture long before they can afford it. Ask a buyer what they want, and they will describe a kitchen. Listen a little longer, and they describe a morning where the coffee is, how far the water is, whether a Tuesday feels different here than it did up north. The house is the lasting thing they fall for. The life comes first. For most of the last century, the money followed the cities. The talent went where the towers were, and the second homes orbited the first. That has quietly reversed. The people now buying on this stretch of the Florida coast are not chasing a metro, they are chasing a pace. They are leaving Fairfield County and the North Shore of Chicago not for a bigger address, but for a smaller one, for the commute that no longer exists, the tennis court, a golf cart away, the river at the end of the street, and they are doing most of that choosing all online, months before ever picking up the phone, which tells you where a brokerage ought to be spending its attention. Not on the listing sheet. The marketing has no shortage of these, but on the life the listing sets aside. It is why our two community sites do not open with inventory. They open with the day. They move them, and you are not touring homes so much as touring a way of living long before a single price appears. Consider the two communities themselves, because they are not interchangeable. Sea Oaks runs from the Atlantic to the Indian River, a rare ocean-to-river address where oceanfront condominiums, riverfront villas, tennis villas, and cottages are folded into preserve and dune. It suits three lives equally well: the full-time resident, the seasonal escape, and the retirement chapter that finally gets to slow down. The pitch, such as it is tennis at sunrise and a walk along the jungle trail. The listings can wait. Grand Harbor is built around play. Two championship golf courses thread the water's edge, one of them designed with a conservationist restraint. A deep water marina opens to the lagoon. There is an oceanfront beach club and a new wellness center that amounts to a $36 million wager on how members actually want to live, move, and gather. The community's own language is the tell. It does not say that life is lived here. It says that life is celebrated here. That is a distinction with a difference, and buyers feel it before they can name it. Now, the paradox. At the corner of all this, we are a boutique, a small team on one barrier island, and yet every listing we take travels throughout the worldwide network of Coldwell Banker Global Luxury, an alliance that reaches more than 60 markets abroad. Local knowledge, global audience. It sounds like a contradiction. It is the entire advantage. A national portal can show a buyer every home on the island. It cannot tell them which street to bike at golden hour, where to find the stone crab in season, or how to light changes on the river in February. That knowledge does not live in the database. It comes from living here. In our case, for the better part of 2 decades, and from showing up at the club openings, the charity nights, the tennis open. It is the one thing a portal can never buy. And it is the whole reason a local independent team still wins the relocating buyer. I have left the numbers for the end on purpose because they are the least interesting part of the story and the most easily mistaken for the point. For the record, more than $1 billion in sales, some 2,000 transactions, 35 years of combined experience, and a national ranking inside the top 1.5%. Useful to know, reassuring, even, but not the reason anyone falls for this island and not the reason that they stay. So we will keep leading with the life. Tell us how you want to spend a Tuesday, and we will find you the home that makes it ordinary. The rest, the paperwork, the price, the quiet network, doing its work behind the scenes is our job, not yours. The house, after all, is the last thing. It always was. For more information, call me, Vance, at 772-913-3426, or I'll call Ben at 772-713-9455, or visit SeaOaksHomesVeroBeach.com or GrandHarborHomesVeroBeach.com. Look forward to seeing you guys.